Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make some fried chicken. This is keto fried chicken. So let me just share with what I have in the bag here. This is 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and some cayenne seasoning, which is this one right here. I marinated the chicken 24 hours and I added some Louisiana hot sauce to it, salt and pepper, and a little vinegar. And the vinegar is to help tenderize the chicken. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken to this 100% whey protein. It doesn't have any carbs. This chicken will not have any carbs at all. So let me just go ahead and dip a few pieces in this bag here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just massage the batter over the chicken. It's the egg batter that I'm using. I have 1 scoop of the whey protein in this bag here. So let me just dump it in there. Let me just go ahead and get close to the fryer over here. There it goes. And I'm gonna add 1 more piece to the fryer. This is a really easy recipe. And by using the plastic bags, I'm not making a big mess. You know, I don't have to do a lot of cleanup. I think I can get 1 more in there, so let me just do another piece here. Again, I'm just massaging the chicken in the egg batter here. Okay. And shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. I'll have to add some more protein powder in there in the bag. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. But I wanted to share this recipe with you because it is a really great recipe. You know, I marinated overnight, so this is going to be some delicious chicken in the hot sauce and pepper. Well, hot sauce and salt, that's all I use. So I'm going to take another scoop of this protein. If you have the egg shell protein mixture, you can use that also with this fried chicken. And I think I'm gonna add 2 more pieces. Now this is supposed to be whole chicken, but I noticed I have quite a few wings in here, so they must have made a mistake when they were cutting it up. It looks just like fried chicken. It's not ready to come out yet. And you save on the carbs, you know, based on cooking your fried chicken this way. I also made some naked fried chicken here. There's a couple pieces I just took out of the oven. I took out of the fryer just a few minutes ago. this, I found this candy at Walmart's today, and it really tastes really good. I really enjoy this candy here. They in very small packages like that, very small. And I tried to eat only one, but I ended up eating two of them today, but they are very good. See how nice they look? I'm adding another scoop of the whey protein, add the chicken. I found these low carb tortillas at Aldi's, so they taste really good. They only 4 grams of carbs, but I usually go by the total carbs when I'm looking at any kind of bread or anything that's supposed to be keto. So some people go with the net, but I really go with the full carbs. The full carbs are 11 grams. I don't eat a lot of bread. Every once in a while I might make a sandwich, but I really don't eat a lot. I used another scoop whey protein for this chicken. I only got one more piece to prepare, but I just added a whole scoop of it in here. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, this is the last piece I'm going to place in the fryer. And notice how easy it was to clean up. Just throw the bag away. When you get done, that's it. So this is what I used. And like I said, there's quite a few different brands out there. You don't have to use the same one I use. You don't have to use a soy-based one. So after I finish with the last piece of chicken, I'm gonna bite a piece so I can taste the chicken, which I already know what it tastes like. It's gonna be delicious, but I'm gonna do that for you. I'm gonna show you how to make my lemonade every day. I have fresh lemonade. This is 1 whole lemon. It's a pretty large lemon here. So I have added 4 packages of stevia in here. And now I'm gonna add almost a whole bottle of water to this. I always go up to like the rim here. This is a spaghetti jar. I love making it in this so that I can place it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to have my fresh lemonade every day. Oh, and I also add a little salt to it. There we go. And that is it. Fresh lemonade every day. All right. So the chicken is almost ready. I'm going to eat a piece of it. I'm gonna share that with you. So keep watching, okay? I'm gonna taste the chicken, so keep watching. I'm gonna eat one of the wings. This is the wing part of the chicken. See how easily it is to tear. When you marinate your chicken like that, it's gonna tenderize the meat as well for you. So this is why I do it. Wow. This chicken is better than KFC. And it is delicious, well seasoned, juicy. It's so good. I can taste the Louisiana hot sauce, just a little bit, a little vinegar, but it's not too salty. It's tasty, it's not real spicy. It just does something to the chicken. It was so good. That is some good southern fried chicken there. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. So good.